Hey, what is up guys? Today's a beautiful day and today I'm going to fix my car. First I need to get it, so this is my pretty old Audi TT, and it's got an error. It's got an error 16706, I think. That means the crankshaft sensor is defective. Oh, well, look at that. Now it starts. Okay, so first I'm going to put that car away on the parking spot, and then I'm going to drive this one to my to my garage, so to say. See you then. Well, he's on the spot right now. So let's get into the Audi. Okay, here we go. All right. Yeah, those brakes, I need to fix that too. We're here. So the crankshaft sensor is somewhere down there. I'll turn you guys around. Crankshaft sensor somewhere down there. I hope I can reach it without going in from underneath. So I need to get this loose and then flip it over. And I hope I can get the cable through there. So, well, we'll see. Okay, I got it loose. So you see the dipstick is also stuck in there, so you need to get that out. I hope I'm not ruining it. Okay, there it goes. So we flip this around, maybe. Let me see. Okay, I'll need to get that one also loose so we can flip it easier. Okay, so that hose is also off. It just popped off with a thug at the hose, so it isn't a problem. Oh wait, there's a plug. Okay, so just disconnect that one too. Well, that's off. So let me see if it flips. Yeah, that's what I need. Okay. Well, it's the middle plug right there that I need. So I need to disconnect that one and then follow the wire down there. I hope I can get there with my hand. So yeah. Well, let's see where this takes us. Okay, guys, I unplugged everything. So I see that you can see this. This is the plug. So now I'm going to try and get the bottom thing loose. Wish me luck. Yeah. Well, I got the little bolt out. So that was a pain. Oh man. Now I need to get the sensor out, and I hope it's pretty easy and it's not stuck in there. Well, oh, it's not stuck, so I can turn it, but I cannot get it out. Cannot get my fingers around there. Okay, so I'm going to have to put you guys down so I can use both hands. So see you later. Oh my god. Oh, my arm hurts. I'm an IT person, not a car mechanic. So guys, I managed to pull the sensor out, but it's very hard to do. Now it was very much stuck in there. So now I'm going to try to get this cable out, but there's a little clip down there. I don't think you can see it, but I need to get that loose before I can get this cable out. So I'm gonna try it with two hands. Okay guys, here it goes. Victory! Yes! So here are the two sensors next to each other. This is the new one. It's from stock. Oh, Iron Man sensor. And this one is from Bosch, but that one was cheaper. So I hope this works fine. I think so. So let's put it in. Can't get it through a little hole. I hope I don't break the new sensor. Well, the new sensor's in there. So well, I will see if you guys can see the new sensor in there. So I'm going to film it now. Okay, here goes. There you go. I think you can see it there. That's the new one. Well, it's not really good. Yeah, I need to reposition it. It's not in front of the hole, but that's the new one. It's nice and warm out here, guys. Well, let's see. Everything's put back together. So let's start up the car. Okay, guys, moment of truth. Truth. And there's my dog. That's Sophia. Okay, well, here we go. Let's get in the car. Oh, ooh, it's pretty hot in here. Okay. Well, the power's on. Here we go. Well, it starts. That's a good thing. Okay, now I'm gonna get the scanning tool and we'll scan the car and see what, yeah, if there's any more errors or something. So here goes. Okay, so here's my scanning tool. It's I don't know, I bought it from eBay. It's just a I don't know, a Volkswagen Audi memo scan tool. I don't know the brand, doesn't say anywhere. So let's plug this in. See here, it's the right way around. It's underneath there. Plug it in. Okay. Well, let's do some scanning. Engine. No codes. Well, that's nice. Just do a quick erase. It's done. So, okay. Why did I do an erase? Okay. Second erase done. Scroll. Read again. Okay, no code. So, well, that seems to be all right. It's pretty high on the RPMs, but car's cold, so could be. All right. Well, that's it. And now for a little test drive. I needed to put on my very fancy glasses. Otherwise I don't see anything. So seems to run fine. Seems to run better actually. Well, in conclusion, it's a pretty straightforward job, but the only problem is when the sensor is stuck. So mine wasn't that stuck. At first I thought it was, but it twisted and turned, so I just kept on prying and pulling with pliers. There's not much room down there, so just be careful you don't hurt your hands. But eventually it came out, and I could replace it with no problem. Also, the cable, pulling the cable through the engine, that was a bit difficult. So, but well, that's about it. The car runs fine. It starts. No errors are anymore in the computer. So, well, I hope that that this is fixed, and it's a pretty cheap fix. It's the sensor is I think I paid 25 euros for it, including shipping. So it's not expensive at all. But if the sensor breaks inside of the engine, then that's a problem, and you need to to get that fixed then, if you can't do it yourself. So I hope this was a useful video for you guys. I mean, if you are DIY people who work on your own car, I think YouTube is the perfect channel to search for repair videos of cars and many other things. So I thought I'd put this one up. So, well, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time. So see you next time, people. Bye.